Hello, good afternoon, good morning, and good evening. My name is Cinematic Grade. In case you're coming across this page for the first time, so this is day one of showing you how to edit with CapCut. I'm going to be showing you some basic things you need to know about CapCut. So make sure to stay to the end of this editing so that you'll be able to grab one or two knowledge that are going to carry you on into the next video that I'm going to be dropping for you to be able to understand the videos that I'll be dropping next. So first of all, you download your CapCut and open it. Then as you can see, this is the interface, and over there, down there, you see that we have what we call projects, and those projects are some of the files that you opened during maybe when you're trying to edit, because you're going to be opening different projects and they are also going to be saved in there. So we'll be looking at our new video, because our new video is where you're going to open and see some of your project files, just like the way I'm doing. These are some of the videos I shot. Let's say you're going to maybe select any of those footage, and I'm going to select this one, these pictures, to make it a little bit easier to open. Then I'm going to load it, and this is what we call timeline, and I'll load it on my timeline, and this timeline is going to load your video according to order, the way you selected it. Like you selected 1, 2, 3. You can split, and you can also do separate editing on the file that you just splitted. So like this one now, let's say I'm going to click any animation on how the video will be introduced, and you can select random animation to see how they work. So this is it, and these footages that are lined up, I can decide to cut, change their position, and do different things, even put right up. And I'm going to cover this in the next video, but I want to just introduce this interface. We call this interface of the software. So looking at the interface, you see that on the downside you see projects. So this is just the project, and you can even rename and name something, maybe call it camera file or call it anything you want. And the other one is share project. You can even share your project. Let's say I shot a video with my phone, and I gave some of the I dropped some of the footage to my friend, and I edited it with my phone. I want him to do sound or take a look at it. I can decide to share the project to him, and he will open it on his CapCut, and he'll be able to maybe do any adjustments he wants, and he will send it back to me. Another one also, as you can see, is add as favorite. This add as favorite works well when maybe, let's say I did an edit on a particular project, and I would want to remember. Maybe I want to remember it or just store it in a way that I'll be seeing it. I'll just like add it as favorite. So it works very well to keep me in remembrance, to always go back to it anytime. Then the other one is rename, which I just showed you, and you can also duplicate your project file. Let's say in a situation where you want to use a particular you want to do a short and a full form video, you now have the option to duplicate and rename it. Let's say rename like short, something like this. You duplicate, you see we have copy and we have the original one. Then you now pick the copy and you rename. Let's say I want to do a short for YouTube. I can do something like shorts reels that I'm going to be posting. Let's say, YouTube short is like, it doesn't go more than 3 minutes. So let's say I want to do 2 minutes and I'm going to edit it to compress it to a 2 minute video. Why the other original video, let's say the video is up to about 30 minutes or more. So I'm going to be renaming that other video. Let's say I'm going to rename it long form or long video, so that I will take note that I'm editing this one as a long form video and editing the other one as a short reel. You now get to see that. So you see that you can also rename your project file in order to come back to it later and choose which one that is going to be short. I can even choose to delete any of this, maybe if they are taking space on my phone. Like, see this video now is taking up to 1 gig. I can choose to delete them and free my space. So there's nothing like maybe some files you imported are like taking space on your phone and you won't know what to delete and what not to delete. So at least I can free my space by going to my CapCut to delete, because if you load plenty videos that consume more space, it will affect. So I can decide to clear my phone space and make space by looking for some of the project files I've already posted and choose to delete them and start new projects. So Auto CapCut is like just maybe gathering so many video that you shot. Like, let's say I'm selecting this, that, this, and you match them together, and AI will help you like mix it together to give you a beautiful reels. As you can see, like this is it loading. It's trying to load, and you just exercise patience. And okay, you see how he's introducing introducing it with transition, and you now be the one to look for. Most times there is sound under it though, but I can't put the sound here because of copyright. So you see, you can even select your own choice to the one that is going to match the reference of what you want. So see the transition. You can also do all these things manually, something that is going to match the description of what you want to create. See, you can see the lens flare. You can see, you can imagine bringing in some of the videos you don't know, some of the boring videos you don't know how to put together, and you are like, you now give AI CapCut to help you merge it together, and you're going to get beautiful reels like this. And mind you, it works more and it works well for just short reels. So there's no need of you going to like gather lengthy videos or lengthy pictures to a kind of place it in that auto reels, expecting it to do justice to it. So that's just that for auto cut. Cut. So this is retouch. Retouching is a situation where you retouch your image, like you select and it will just smoothen the image and give you something beautiful and something nice. And the auto caption is a situation whereby maybe you said something and you import the video. It will now caption your video, giving it a more cinematic kind of, in a stylish way, giving it a beautiful font. And why removal background is like you import an image and you use AI to remove the background of the image, and it will remove it in a way that you won't even know that the background was removed. You can change and put in any background you want. Why auto enhancement is when you have a boring video, like a video that has noise or something. you now use auto enhancement. It will clear the video and remove the noise. Then camera is more like the CapCut camera. CapCut has its own camera. You can use it and capture and insert any template you want. Then then the teleprompter is like, maybe let's say you want to do a video and you've already written down the things you want to say. You can use the teleprompter to kind of insert those things you want to read out, and it will be displaying on the screen, and you'll be looking at the phone and saying them without even knowing that you are reading from your phone screen. Some of those words will be displayed on the screen. It's actually nice for those people that wants to do things like podcast or art, or maybe you want to announce something or you want to read out something. Then we still have something like AI tools. All tools like these are AI tools, like the video translator and AI dialogue scene. You can even use it to do some of those AI video, like generate video, and but it works more for those people who subscribed for the premium package. And this is it for now. At least I'll be doing some other videos. Like if you like this video, if I can have plenty, like I will be able to have that courage to drop more. So please subscribe, like, share to your friends who want to learn CapCut. This is just the 101, day one. So I'll be dropping day 2, day 3, and so forth and so on. So make sure you're following, you're subscribed to the channel, and you are also liking and sharing. Thank you so much.